everybody. Spectra Hobby, Random Divisions 39. Good luck, guys. Dice roll, ace, deuce, or higher. Yeah, I was fertilizing, yes. 4 times. Good luck, guys. Eduardo and Price, 2, 3, and 4. Price on the bottom, Eduardo up top. Good luck, guys. All right, good luck. 4 times, guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. NFC East on the bottom, South up top. Good luck, Eduardo, with the South. All right, this should make life a little bit quicker for me because I can do this. Boop, boop, boop. Go like this. Bang, bang, bang. So that looks good. We can do this. Put that there. Copy and paste there. Expand. All right, so Price with the North. He got his Lions again. He got them Lions again. Packers, Vikings, and he had the other ones. Everything else goes to Eduardo. He had the NFC East. Boys, Giants, Eagles, and Commanders. All right. Here's your teams, guys. Good luck, Eduardo and Scotty. It's the next box. We got 2 more after this of Spectra, and that is it. But we're going into a 2-box Prism Hobby next, guys. Let's go. Hold on, let me check my hands real quick. A little bit of discoloration on the hands, but that's okay. Good luck. Let's do it. Last 2 is right behind me, guys. It's already full. Oh, that's what it was in my fingernails. Red and gold. Good luck, gentlemen. I appreciate you guys. No human waste. Absolutely. Nothing's ever wasted, Eduardo. Only my remnants. Only my remnants. We start with McKinnon for the Chiefs. Smelling salts. Kalupig and Shoyu. Oh, this Scott Price guy knows Hawaii. I like this Scott Price guy already. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's a good thing I didn't wash my hands. I wanted Gibbs or Laporta, but that's still sick. How about a die-cut die-cut camel to 8 of Hendon Hooker. Oh, I'm sorry, to 10 for the Detroit Lions. Mr. Price getting more with his Lions. He's getting more. Our first patch. It's Jalen Hurts on the Brilliance for the Eagles and Scotty. Oh, he lived there for automatic. Oh, what island? I'm guessing Oahu. The concrete jungle where I'm from. And our first RPA is Jaron Hall for the Vikings. On the pink hyper for Mr. Price, 19 of 25. Jaron Hall. Oh, nice, nice. So I used to cut hair over there. I used to go visit Andy's barbershop. Right over there. There's box 2. Good luck. Right in Wahiwa. Rookie Aura is Jalen Carter. On the rookie Aura. 68 of 99 for the Eagles. Thank you for your service, Scotty. I appreciate that's awesome, man. Anybody in the military, you guys know, we appreciate you guys' service. Thanks for keeping us safe. Latu for the Niners. Eduardo, 24 of 30. Here's another stud. Here's another stud. To 60. It's Dalton Kincaid on the jumbo patch. He was another stud. He was a go-to. You got to ask Mrs. Ham on that one. Yeah, Doe Farms is over there, yes. The Pineapple Plantation. And there's a Spectral for the Texans. It's Will Anderson, the defensive beast. 1 of 75 of Anderson for the Texans. Box 3. Which Mexican? Did you eat at what was the Korean place? My barber right in Wahiawater is the Korean place. What is it called? Dofang? Was it Dofang? I've only eaten there a couple times, but I used to go every 3 weeks to shave my head when I used to keep a shaved head. James Conner for the Cardinals. Was it Dofang? Doyang? Donyang. Donyang. It was Donyang. That's what it was. Payne Durham, silver for the Bucks. I used to run the Firestone, so I'm familiar with Schofield only to the base, really, pretty much. For the Broncos country, the 40, it's Marvin Mims. Nice patches there. Eduardov. Sick dual patches. To 75. Stephon Diggs for the Bills. On the Brilliance on the Celestial. Our next auto. Oh boy, this is actually a really nice auto too. Paint is flying out of him, yes. Championship signatures. On-card autograph, it's Justin Tucker. We needed that to be a legend QB. $36.99 on the Celestial. Justin Tucker at Wardov. Seven-bedroom house. Jeez. And our last pack. I mean, it's normal to have multi-generational households. Obviously to save money. And there's our first one. There's our first CJ that we've seen on the base. What up, filler? Yeah, we got... we basically... These are all full. We're out of Spectra after this. Christian Gonzalez for the Patriots. Eduardov on the Celestial. No, Sweet Lou, I'm out of it after these two, brother. We're going to be off tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday, we're going to have Illusions FOTL. So if you guys remember Illusions, we were loaded with shields last year. Kiddo to 60. We literally were hitting shields like every case, every other case. Illusions was crazy last year. We hope it's crazy. What up, Bryant? And we end on a redemption. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's very nice. For the Buffalo Bills, Dalton Kincaid for Eduardov. Bryant, no, I was supposed to be on baseball today, Bryant. Backer kind of changed me last minute yesterday when I was on stream with him on basketball. So he told me to come here instead. Whoops. I gotta read your name. And that was the break. So we'll be off today. Cat will be on tomorrow and Tuesday, Bryant. We have seen Kincaid, yes. So sorry about that, Brian. I know I told all the baseball guys I was going to be Sunday, but it literally changed yesterday when I was on stream. That's why I was late today over here. Normally I start over here at 9 o'clock-ish. I'm always here by like 9:30 on Sundays usually because I like to be consistent with daytime deck. The problem was that I was on till 2 o'clock yesterday, which was daylight savings, so 3 o'clock. They didn't crash out till like 4:30. My alarm went off at like 10, and I'm like, nope. Not after being on stream for 14 hours. I'm too tired. We'll take a quick intermission. We'll go to Prism 2-Box Hobby with the random team already full.